Let us discuss question number 40 of GATE 2021 Chemistry. The question is, hexane and heptane are completely miscible. At 25 degrees Celsius, the vapor pressures of hexane and heptane are 0.198 atm and 0.606 atm respectively. The mole fractions of hexane and heptane, this order is very important, hexane and heptane in the vapor phase for a solution containing 4 molar hexane and 6 molar heptane respectively are 0.688 and 0.312, 0.4 and 0.6, 0.312 and 0.688, 0.6 and 0.4. Before solving this particular question, let us write down the information given here. Let us take the vapor pressure of hexane as P0A. P0A is given as 0.198 atm and the mole fraction. Here it is given hexane as 4 molar. 4 molar means 4 moles in 1 liter of the solution. So number of moles of hexane is 4 and for heptane it is 6 molar. That means 6 moles per liter. So number of moles of heptane is equal to 6. So total number of moles is equal to 10. So mole fraction of hexane will be number of moles of hexane divided by total number of moles, that is 4 divided by 10. Now let us see, for heptane, let us take the vapor pressure as P0B. P0B is given as 0.06 atm and the mole fraction of heptane will be equal to number of moles of heptane, that is 6 divided by total number of moles. So XB is equal to 6 divided by 10. Before solving this question, you must understand what is Henry's law. Henry's law states that the partial pressure of a gas on a liquid is directly proportional to its mole fraction present in the liquid state. We can write for hexane, let us take the mole fraction of hexane in vapor phase as Ya. Ya is equal to partial pressure of hexane P0A into mole fraction of hexane in the solution Xa divided by Pt. Similarly, for heptane we can write mole fraction of heptane in vapor phase, we can take it as Yb is equal to partial pressure of heptane P0B into mole fraction of heptane Xb divided by total pressure. Let us take for first equation as equation 1 and this as equation 2. If we are taking equation 1 divided by equation 2, we will be getting Ya divided by Yb is equal to P0A Xa divided by P0B XB. Now let us put these values. P0A was given as 0.198 into 4 divided by 10 divided by P0B was given as 0.06. So 0.06 into 6 divided by 10 is the mole fraction of heptane. So this 10 and 10 will be cancelled out. When you are solving this, you will be getting Ya divided by Yb as 2.2. From this, you can write Ya is equal to 2.2 Yb. Now, we know that sum of mole fractions will be equal to 1. So, Ya plus Yb will be equal to 1. Ya we can write it as 2.2 Yb plus Yb is equal to 1. From this, Yb can be calculated as 0.312. So, mole fraction of heptane in the vapor phase is 0.312. Now, for calculating Ya will be equal to 1 minus Yb, that is equal to 1 minus 0.312 is equal to 0.688. So, number of moles of hexane in vapor phase is given as 0.688 and number of moles of heptane in vapor phase is given as 0.312. So this is the answer. Now let's see the questions and options. The first option was 0.688 and 0.312, and that is what we obtained after solving the question. So the answer is option A. For further reference, you can go and check this NPTEL video, Mixtures Part 2, Introduction to Chemical Thermodynamics and Kinetics by Dr. Ajit Kumar De, Department of Chemistry, IISER Mohali. And the particular YouTube link is also given here. Thank you.